the Sinag Manila Film Fest 2026. I was actually also part of Sinag Manila last year.
Oh,
Yeah.
Di ba yung
Napanood
virtual
ka.
ka na?
I had a movie last year as well. But
Kay Direk JP.
yeah.
Suki ka na pala.
Ganun na nga. I'm happy kasi I got to work with Direk Joel again alongside
Ala.
Yuki
After
and Kelly.
Ayun.
So,
Ang tagal na nun.
yeah. Just happy to be working with some familiar faces and ayun, we're hoping that you guys like our film. I think the
Hope so.
the highlight is going to be our two female leads. Yeah, just happy to support them.
Anong role mo?
So I play William De La Cruz. Yeah, isa po akong police.
Baka hindi mo
First time?
Parang hindi naman.
Ikaw ang may
And ako po yung love interest ni
First
Yuki.
day na rin.
Ay,
Yeah.
Yuki.
Paano mo di-describe yung movie? Drama, suspense, paano yun? Thriller.
Yeah, thrillers. It's like a psychological thriller horror.
Walang sexy.
Mga bikini.
Ay, alam-
Beauty pageant in
Ay, ikaw,
trailer.
ka talaga.
Meron naman konti.
Konti.
Yeah, konti.
Ikaw
Pero
rin?
mas ano
o yung
yung-
babae?
Ay, syempre naman ang gaganda ng mga yung mga leading ladies natin. So,
Yun,
Pero
natutulog.
mas sexy ka dun sa sa sinisilip.
Sa Dream Boy.
sa Dream Boy.
Oo.
Yes, mas wild yan.
Masweldo, di ba?
Yeah.
Ano masasabi mo ngayon na ang dami-dami lumalabas ng sex video ng mga
Oh my gosh.
kalalakihan?
Ito na.
Ano
Hindi ka ba
po?
natatakot?
Well, I think actually I feel bad for them because that's an invasion of privacy. You know, so what people do behind closed doors, I think, should remain private. And second, I don't think people should scandalize it. Honestly, I think it's very disrespectful, distasteful, and I'm just happy that the culture in the Philippines right now just realizes. I think a lot of people realize that it's wrong to do. You know, so whoever those people are that's releasing those videos, I think sila yung dapat kabahan kasi there's karma's real. So good luck na lang po sa kanila. But for those guys, lang, we're in an industry now that's a lot more flexible when it comes to that. But
But don't you think na may pagkulang din sila because they've been neglectful on their part?
Victims?
neglectful in what sense?
On their part na
Di ba parang one night
Pumapayag-
stand yun eh.
pumapayag sila.
Na nag-video kasi
Oh,
private.
hidden camera.
Like
di ba?
Right, right. So, I
I'm
think-
dealing with people na
Right.
to
So-
trust, di ba? Whom to trust.
Yeah. So mahirap na talaga magtiwala.
Di ba nangyari
But
na
again,
sa-
what I mean is, what people do behind closed doors is their private life. We're not
Correct.
supposed to even be involved
Yeah,
in that.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
why I think that what happened to them is distasteful talaga and disrespectful. It's an invasion of privacy. So that's where I stand.
Sa ganong sitwasyon, ba't mas okay aminin or deadma o mag-deny? Sa ganong situation.
Well, their privacy wasn't supposed to be invaded in the first place. So, you know,
Pero lumabas na sa video, nakilala sila. Paano
right, so ang
dapat
dapat
i-handle
gawin
nila?
is kasuhan yung babae na yon. Actually,
Okay.
yan yung dapat gawin.
Pero dapat aminin nila or deadma or mag-deny.
I think that's their own
Prerogative.
That's their own prerogative. I don't think anybody should force them to do anything. Their life has already been, it's already their privacy that's been invaded. So I don't think they owe it to anybody to do or say anything.
Hypothetical lang, just in case ikaw yon. Anong ang gagawin mo?
I just don't even want to go there.
Okay.
I think that's such a strange question. to ask.
Okay.
First time ba nakatrabaho si Direk dito?
Second.
No, this is my second
Second
movie.
So paano mo siya di-describe ng klaseng director?
You know, I'm much more comfortable this time because for people who don't know, who aren't close to Direk Joel, he's actually a very sweet person. It's just he takes his work very seriously. So this time around, I was happy to see him because we've already worked together. So
Na-experience mo ba, Tony?
May instance ba na napagalitan ka?
so thankfully, Direk Joel has not yet yelled at me. I hope I hope to work with him again in the future. Ang gusto lang naman kasi ni Direk is that you do your job, like you come to set
Wag
prepared,
malate. Oh.
and he's not asking for perfection. He's asking you to do your job. He's asking you to try your best.
And
Yeah.
last
Kamusta
time
yung
sa
mga
Siligman-
first time mong nakatrabaho rito? First time mo with
Si Yuki ba tsaka si Kelly Preston?
Right, so Yuki's actually a friend, so I was happy to work with her. She did a great job on this film, and Kelly, in a way, we're actually batchmates. When we did Boy Band, she was simultaneously doing Girl Trend, so it was really nice to
okay.
see a familiar face. Yeah, and they did a very good job on this movie, so I'm excited for you guys to see their performance here.
Tony, last time sa Sinag Maynila, di ba? Muntik-muntik na yung Best Actor Award, di ba? Galing-galing.
Ngayon ba, ano?
So ano, this
Panlaban
time
ba to?
ba?
Laban ba?
Oh no, you know what? I really love my role here, but I love my role here. I don't think I don't think I'm in the running for anything. Just because my character is really to support or to
Best
lead.
sporting, whatever.
Well, we'll see.
Tsaka may ansam sila, di ba?
Yeah. Who
Diba?
knows? Who
Sa
knows? I mean, let's
Sinag
hope for the best. Yeah, let's hope for the best.
So,
Parang
gaano
mas-
kamiti yung role mo dito?
I would say my role is like I'm still one of the main cast, but I think my role kasi is really there to help tell the story of the two
Okay.
leads, is what I mean. Yeah. Yeah.
Tony, kailangan naman namin yung mapapanood sa mga primetime serye na
Oh well, just wait. We have
Meron ba?
something coming up. Yeah. So ayun, abangan nyo na lang.
But still with the ABS?
I'm sorry, what's that?
Are you still with ABS?
Is that with
Yeah,
ABS?
of course. I guess so.
I guess so. I guess.
Well,
Di pa
it's,
sure.
no, it's not
Tanong
that.
natin kay
It's,
Neil.
I'm still with ABS. Yes.
Kasi napakaganda naman ng feedback nung last mo, yung Pera-Peraso, di ba? Ay,
Nag-aapoy.
nag-aapoy pala. sorry. Nag-aapoy.
Showing pa ngayon na
Nag-aapoy.
nag-replay.
No.
Nag-replay sa parang at panghapon.
Yeah, I
Gabi?
think
Ah, gabi na.
I think siguro
TV5.
I only say it's just that now kasi I'm with Creation now. Si Kuya Mario pa rin nagma-manage sa akin with Creation. And you know,
Mario.
Creation ka na.
Yes.
Co-manage.
yes po.
ganyan.
And
Colmenares,
kasi, I
kay
mean
Mario
the market is a little bit different now, you know, like if
Yes.
depending on what place has to offer a show to you, usually naman your home network is also going to be lenient if they don't have a show for you. So it's a bit different.
Hindi na ngayon exclusive.
That's all I mean.
Very open na lahat.
Pwede ka na
Yeah.
tumayo, tumawid sa kabila, di ba?
Right, but the next time I'd love to work with my home station again.
why
Yeah,
not?
yeah.
Namimiss ka na namin. Thank you, Tony.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, salamat.
po.